Jansen door, window, sliding, and facade systems can only be guaranteed to function properly for a long period of time if they undergo regular and professional maintenance. Jansen provides digital tools and services to ensure that maintenance and repair work can be performed as efficiently as possible by metalworkers. Elements can be monitored using the plan-to-build software. By using feedback technology, you will find out how frequently an element has been used, and you can thus schedule and perform servicing work before faults arise. Intuitive operation via the internet allows for simple, quick, and transparent planning. Should you require on-site support with any maintenance work, you can make use of the Jansen service. A Jansen specialist is available on call and can be contacted via the FRS app. The specialist can get an idea about the situation on-site via live video and voice calls, and then develop a general solution with you. If assistance cannot be provided with the maintenance work via remote diagnosis, a Jansen service engineer can be mobilized. And if the first steps have been taken to diagnose the problem, the Jansen employee will be able to bring the right replacement part for you. In the Jansen DocuCenter, you can access the latest version of useful documents, videos, and maintenance plans free of charge on your smartphone or tablet when you are on the move. Ensure an optimal customer experience by offering professional maintenance work and a top service together with Jansen.